Hi, I'm gonna introduce the very first SIG MPX airsoft rifle, which made by Korea Academy, and it's licensed by Cybergun. Let's take a look inside. And we can see the user manual, which just teach you how to operate this gun. I can read other Korean anyway. This is actually not the first time I open up this gun. And I already painted by blackening spray JIP 179. So you might find something different on the color if you compare it to other on the internet. It's air cocking rifle which only have 30 NS power, which is very low. I don't know, it's because Korean law or something. The stock is retractable with 2 positions, and it's detachable. There's a Picatinny rail back on it. And the safety, you can fire it on both semi and auto to operate this gun with the charging handle. It's pretty easy to pull, and of course it got very low power. The magazine, it works pretty smooth, just like operating an AEG. And a flip sight, rear sight. Actually, they have a finger stopper. Like this. You can just use a screw to lock it. And let's install some accessories on this gun. I choose KAC grip and Sightmark ultra shot sight, which perfectly fit on this gun. So this is pretty interesting that Academy made MPX airsoft rifle. I wish they have an AEG version of it, or maybe VFC will do it because they already have NCX anyway. In the end, they also comes with a collectible card, which is very nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching, hope you like this video. I know my English is very good. And so, if you have any questions to ask, please comment on comment section below. Thanks.